What's up, guys? This is Boomboy for here today. I am bringing you with another train video. My video will be on top 5 freight trains. So let's get straight on to the video, shall we? So top number 5, we have CSX, the CSX freight train. So let's start. This is what trains look CCX. It's CSX. They just covered it. It's like the cover of the train. These freight trains like these sound awesome. I will do more, like, I can try to do more of these in the future. Like, I'll do more freight trains in the future. Like, I don't have enough time to do monorail in the video because I'll explain when I'm done. I'll explain after I'm done with the video. But yeah, this freight train looks cool. Alright, let's go to our next freight train. Top number 4, we have NS. RS. It is RS, but in the game, but in real life, it's called NS, Norfolk Southern. So anyways, let's get on to the train. It's the same horn as the other one, but these freight trains like these sound a lot better. These train horns sound like those CP freight trains from Canada. Well, obviously, but yeah. I do hear those. I watch those videos. Like, I've been watching those videos probably for 5 years or so. It's probably been since 2013. But yeah, let's get on to our next freight train. Hold on, I'm gonna test this out. Oh, that's BC Rail. BC Rail's in front of me. So ignore that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Hold on, give me a sec. I don't want to record with that train there. Okay, I'm so sorry. Don't want to record with that freaking train in my way. But yeah, that's all I just want to say. Let's get on to our top 3 freight train. Top 3, we have BC Rail. It's one of these trains in Canada. It's a mountain freight train. It's mostly, let me check. It looks like, yeah, British Columbia, Canada. It's one of these trains in Canada. Oh yeah. The horn on this thing sounds amazing. Gonna honk at the crossing. Guys, let's take the view. Let's walk. Like, I could do this. I know how to operate these trains in the game. I know how to use a camera like that. Yeah, you see that, guys? These freight trains, the trains like these run on the mountains. That they obviously do. Yes, that's what they do. Alright, let's get to top 2, and let's go. Top 2, we have BNSF. These trains are cool. Honestly, I love this horn too. My favorite freight trains are CP. Well, it's in Canada, but in my opinion, I still like those trains. For those freight trains that run those, yeah, they run those, I don't know what they're called, they run those, yeah, it's those, freights that they load, that they use, yeah, sorry I don't make any sense, but I'm not going to talk about that all until the rest of the video. Okay, so this BNSF carries lots of loads. It can carry trailers, like, on those other freights. They got a lot. The horn on this thing's amazing. The bells. It's same as those CSX freight trains and those NS Norfolk Southern freight trains. Yeah, that's my opinion, guys. Alright, let's get to our final one. Hold on, let's get the view of this. I'm gonna take views of these every time I move on, because I I just want to see what it's like. Alright, glad you guys saw the train that I was running. Alright, let's move on. Alright, top one. Finally, we have this CN freight train. These freight trains that run in Canada. Same as the BC Rail. CN can carry, this train it comes with BC Rail, with the BC Rail freight train. CN is the same freight train as BC Rail. The horn sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. These horns sound like those Amtrak, but in my opinion, I still like those Amtrak horns. These trains are cool. And yes, guys, if you're wondering why they make trains like these, they obviously don't know. Because they made those commuter trains North Star trains in real life, but in the game they called it North Sun. Yeah, because I saw that in a video. Anyways, some of these trains can run on mountains. Well, I don't know. Let me check. Ontario. These trains, CN runs in Ontario, Canada. It's cool. That's all I just want to say, guys. These trains are cool. Let me know in the comments about what you guys think of these trains, and if you like them, I respect your opinion. I will respect your opinion. I will respect your opinion back if you love these trains. And yeah. Those are all top 5 of these freight trains. I do want to explain something before I turn off the camera or something like that. Okay. CP, yes, what I did say earlier is sometimes they put a middle train in the middle, probably because depending on how the load is, depending on how heavy the load is, that's why they put CP trains in the middle. Because like I said, guys, before, I've watched these trains 5 years ago, in 2013. It was 4 years, but now it's 5 years because it's 2018. Yeah. Southern Ontario Rail fan runs a channel. He watches CP, well, he does CP, CN, he's a cool YouTuber. He does train videos. I've been watching his videos, I've been watching his videos since 2013. Okay, and there's something else I was talking about. Give me a sec. Yes, BNSF. Yes, I'm done with that part of the video. I'm gonna explain some talking into the video. BNSF runs a freight train. BNSF runs these cars. Not like that, but it's similar to BNSF. They have these freight cars. They put cars on, they take them to other places, it could be up to, these trains can take hours. They'll run hours and hours and hours. Trailers can go onto the load of their freight cars. They carry loads of, they carry trailers, they carry cars, and other stuff. But I have to look up on what else they carry. I can't explain too much because it's going to take a while. But anyways, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment below. And I will see you all in my next video. Boom, feel free. Signing off. Peace out.